Hey guys, back out in Van Alstyne, work on this culvert. I got the safety ends and the pipes set in place yesterday. Didn't record any of it, of course, but I'll walk you down there and show you that in a minute. Right now I'm going to get the bucket switched over on the excavator and come back over here and start digging out of this borrow pit. Hopefully there's enough dirt on top of this caliche to fill in that culvert. So we'll see. Stick around. All right, so we got that first cut on that borrow pit dug. If you can see down in there, I don't know, that's probably, 5-6 foot deep. I don't know, it's hard to tell from up here, but it's a big hole. And there is a big pile. I was hoping for clay, but that's actually, I call it chert. It's like caliche rock. So that'll pack in there fantastic and make a great entrance. So let me I got a pile big enough now I can start moving it. I don't want to dig a bigger pit than I have to, so I'm going to move this over, and then if I need more, we'll come back and dig more. So y'all stick around. Got that pile moved in here, and I need some more. So if you can tell, but we are over the top of the culvert. So basically I need to fill in that little area there because this drive needs to kind of go uphill a little bit, give us some good coverage over the top of the pipe, and then we'll get all that packed in, and then we'll come back. I've got a grout around both sides of the pipe, and then we'll fill that area in. So let me get you back up there and let's dig a little hole again. All right, dug out all that big old hole. Got that pile there. It should be more than enough for what I need. I'm gonna take the excavator down here. I gotta snatch out a couple trees that are right there on the corner. I'm gonna snatch those out, open it up a little bit, and oh, sorry, making up. Flipping you guys all over the place. But yeah, let me get that done and I'll set you up so you can watch. Alright guys, that is going to be a wrap for today. I don't know, the battery died on the GoPro or the camera, so I'm not sure how much of that you guys caught, but I am complete with the base of this driveway. Got the culvert in, safety ends in, got the culvert mortared to the safety ends, and all of the base material is in. Turn around, you can see. I'll just walk you down the driveway. So all this is in and packed in and ready to be covered with something fancy. Well, that's probably hard to see with all these shadows, but yeah, safety ends both in and mortared in. Still got to move some dirt around here. I'm tired and don't mess with it today. So you can see the pipes all mortared in. Ready for some rain. No rain. I'm not ready for rain. Scratch that. Forget I said that. No rain. Anyway, that's a wrap today. I'm out of here. We'll see you guys. Peace.